Hey, this is Vincent over at Compass. Hope all is well. Today, I'm going to talk a little bit about how inflated home prices are affecting your homeowner's insurance. So, homeowners insurance policies, as you know, only cover the replacement costs of the home in event of any catastrophic loss. Your coverage is based on the value of the actual loss that can be replaced, so it doesn't cover land, things like that. Now, many homeowner policies have provisions referred to as an inflation guard coverage, and that'll compensate for any upward changes in the value of the real estate market or inflation by adjusting the estimated value of your policy by approximately 3 to 5% annually. However, don't assume that your policy has this provision. An increase in property value due to changing real estate market conditions doesn't really justify increasing your homeowner's insurance coverage. So if you were to make any significant improvements or any additions to your home that could potentially impact the market value of your home, this type of change to the property would justify revisiting your coverage to make sure it does cover your home. So if you are curious about the value of your home, don't hesitate to reach out. My phone number is 561-693-9291. Once again, Vincent over at Compass. Talk to you soon.